Welcome to Delna's Learning World channel. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the bell for more videos. Thank you.
It is not easy to write an impressive essay. Most of you will make so many mistakes before you learn the art of essay writing. Below, we have identified for you the top writing mistakes and tips on how to avoid making these mistakes in your own writing. Spelling mistake. No matter how good your ideas are and what a great story you have, after you have written your essay, read it carefully and correct any spelling mistakes. Too long. Writing too long paragraphs is also a mistake. Students should remember that someone is going to read it. Too long sentences frustrate a reader from the main point and reading becomes boring and uninteresting. Too short. Many students write too short paragraphs of 1 to 3 sentences. It is impossible to conclude something in 1 to 3 sentences. Expand a paragraph to at least 4 to 5 full complicated sentences. Short sentences are not counted. Absence of topic. Writing a paragraph, each student should think of one specific idea he or she is going to discuss. Students should remember about it and make their essays focused on the topic sentences. In such case, the paragraphs will be focused. Poor introduction. An interesting introduction gives the background for the whole essay. Hook your reader. Your first sentence sets the tone for the whole essay. So, spend some time on writing an effective hook. Weak thesis idea. Never write a thesis statement if you do not have enough ideas to support it. Give your reader the context they need to understand your topic. Sentence error. Run-on sentences occur when you join 2 or more main clauses together without appropriate punctuation. Run-on sentences confuse the reader. Divide a run-on sentence into separate sentences to fix it. Punctuation mistakes. Punctuation is very important in essay writing. Punctuation marks are used to separate ideas, to relate ideas to one another, and to clarify meaning. Of course, it is easier to notice a spelling mistake than an incorrect placed comma, but still it makes a bad impression on the reader. Wrong word form. When we write quickly, we may write a word form that differs from what we mean to write. For example, students often write verb forms instead of adjective. This can result in an unintended change of meaning. Disabled people instead of disabled people. Confused words. Spell check will not identify the incorrect use of such word as lose to lose, affect to affect, quite, quit, quiet, and accept to accept. You should proofread your essay carefully to make sure you have used the correct words. You can use those strategies to eliminate such errors. Plan your time efficiently and leave enough time for the writing process. Always proofread your writing, paying attention to the main problem areas.